Menteri nang ba ajala konak kisang ma rengkat sumber menteri nang ba Prestone song haksi ba ar kila bo yu mawnongrim na kamanta bang kyntiew kyrdan no ya ka Mawryngkneng PHC Shaka Community Health Center. Habakran ketija lang kemudian lang ro menteri ko kya ba yel hek menteri ke transport ba asne walang dahar kemju MDC ka thain ba pjas iem menteri nang ba olong ru ba sorkar ka temu ba menteri kam no projek ka ba ba rengkat ka jeng pesan pisan wal bang
have taken all the trouble to upgrade this PHC to a CHC. At the same time, I can clearly understand the importance of this CHC. This particular CHC can benefit much more and much beyond just simply this area or this particular because village. It is not just for the people of this area. The suggestions given by but being in such a strategic Honorable location, Minister Mr. A.L. Heck to open up a trauma center as well as a blood bank is something that will really add value to the services in this particular CHC, and I can assure you that we will very, very positively consider those suggestions also from our side. Friends, health has been a very important aspect for this government. We have realized that health indicators and the health services are not up to the mark in terms of being able to provide it in the rural areas. A lot of investment, a lot of upgradation, a lot of manpower has to be put in to ensure that the health services overall come up. With that in mind, this MDA government has been working very hard to upgrade the overall health facilities in many rural parts of the state. Not just here in Mawryngkneng, but in many other parts of the state, where upgradations need to be done from sub-centers to PHCs, PHCs to CHCs, new buildings are required, new equipments are required, proper manpower is required. I'm very happy to inform you that overall our health minister and his entire team has been doing a lot to push the health sector forward. This year is going to be very important for us because we are about to implement a very big project which is funded by the World Bank, where new buildings will be put up in different PHCs and CHCs. Renovation works will be taken up at large scale, and usage of telemedicine and information technology will also be upgraded in the implementation of ensuring that better health services are provided to the people.
Bakane kadeka pynbiej beriu kasuk hakajabe juga video na ke sorkar ka balak ban pynbiej da ka CHC Detak ka MDA government ka balak pynbiej yapi na ka PHC Shaka CHC I Dr. Jua menai lajer kerteng kat nu potli kisnen ngangakhen nyimat san pau kendai snen mentap hiyo ay ka CHC tegalong ka jigar ku ke bakrau ya ka area Mawryngkneng Porokaway bat kumal keren kira orang ba ay bagani ka CHC kan ay ka jing syakri ke Bapura ya ka dekatan Porokaway sakaway ka bangakwa ban pynbiej berkata kali na po ka veterinary department borok ikren bet tang mani sumari ke priu nga ong to i sumari ke manas berkata kalong ba muslim syu nginyo sanction menta ya ka poultry farming jong pihang ni ka poultry farming hang ni hapo Mawryngkneng ladadang syak kapor ngin sawan play ladang syak kapor WebDC jong piu play berkaba arpat ngin upgrade skapaha Mentang upgrade ke PHC ke CHC, tinggi upgrade pada ke Sumar Barat, hangpai hapo sorkar. Naka sub center sya ka dispensary ban Sumar Barat. Uway umaw arteligi sembio, pigi bala don bok pala. Naka daw kialit nang ne. Saya tiap suk tiap say, ya pu samar ke, bag ngimde ban klet, ya ulit David Nongrum, ngimde ban klet, ngihapan salute, ulu kale mej eli jompi, leu blei ulai bit ban simno ya u, kabangita ke sorkar, bag ngaya ledi, kabangaduai kelong tangkawai. Ba ublay unum konsuet ya kam Mawryngkneng konstituensi kikbe kikpa ki konsamla piju perkat ni megata lar perkat dua isya jingit ba pinyo ya ubay pat unong yala uba kumno ai bote bodi jrong un pensyai ya pi kumlay ya pi
Masyukwa berkerbau hagi sedang gibalalai. Harus sedang arajar kat gendai, harus sedang arajar po, ila pelong ke meeting cini la bunsin. Rekat berarti MDA beram. La kelado bangkuai dua jumlah, ba David Nongrum, MDC, iba peniat CM, nang tadi ki Serdar Sinong, giramba Sinong, bat ke pergi katukan dia ki rewang ba, namar bagila agno la slam ba. Nang bandaban upgrade no ya ketika PHC saga CHC. This is the long pending, the long aspirations of the people of the Mawryngkneng constituency and their neighboring villages to upgrade this PHC to the CHC. Today, their long aspirations, expectations of the people is going to be translated into reality. Kadang-kadang force new yung ipaiwa kabakat lalu gitu for. Nagabantag idong mikrat yung iru kila positive bunsin nado gapor ka mamuncha bala ong i Dr. OS Jerwa bagla persang nagabant hagi kam jongki hagi jingtre jongki man penolong ya kani kam Henry Mandagasi daga jingdol lengkat yung honorable chief minister yung Konrad Sangma jingdol yung deputy chief minister yung ba Prestone Tang bat kim perlok minister ba snyo bahalang ban mafi baro ngilong kum gisaki ba ya kene ka PHC Mawryngkneng an penlong no sa CHC